The 8th Commandment of God, as found in the Bible, states, "You shall not steal." This commandment is one of the 10 laws given to Moses on Mount Sinai, as recorded in the books of Exodus and Deuteronomy. The primary meaning of this commandment is a prohibition against taking someone else's property without permission. It is a fundamental principle of respect for others' rights and possessions. Here's a more detailed exploration of its implications. 1. Respect for property. At its core, the commandment underscores the importance of respecting other people's belongings. It establishes a moral and ethical framework for how we should conduct ourselves in relation to others' possessions. 2. Integrity and honesty. The commandment promotes integrity and honesty in personal and communal interactions. It implies that individuals should be truthful and fair, both in their dealings with others and in their own business practices. 3. Broader application. While the literal interpretation concerns theft or stealing, the spirit of the commandment can be extended to other forms of dishonesty or exploitation. For example, it can be applied to issues like fraud, embezzlement, and even plagiarism. 4. Social harmony. By adhering to this commandment, societies can foster trust and cooperation. When people respect each other's property and rights, it contributes to a more stable and harmonious community. 5. Spiritual and moral dimensions. In many religious interpretations, the commandment also has spiritual significance. It is seen as a guideline for living a life of virtue, where material possessions are not valued above ethical conduct and spiritual well-being. The 8th Commandment is part of a broader ethical framework intended to guide human behavior and promote justice, fairness, and respect in personal and communal life.